Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have this very beautiful Art Deco Helbros mechanical watch. This is a manual winding Art Deco ladies piece, most likely from the 50s or 60s. As you can see, it has a very beautifully decorated case. We have a few stones, so we have one here at 6 o'clock and one at 12 o'clock. There is a big chance that these are actual diamonds. They have used these kind of stones in most Art Deco watches, so a very elegant ladies piece. Very nice details, as you can see here on the case. And as you can see, we have a gold tone case, a signed crown, something that is really cool, as you can see right here. Then we have the stainless steel back with some information about the watch, and then we have this very interesting gold tone bracelet, which is most likely the original one. As you can see, it perfectly matches the color of the case, and also it is flexible, so extensible, so this is very easy to take off and put back on the wrist. So a very beautiful piece. This is a mechanical watch, a manual winding piece, so you need to rotate the watch crown to the right in order to wind your watch. As you can see, we have a very interesting dial design as well. We have the 12 and 6 hour marker in gold tone. Then we have some arrows pointing to the center of the watch at 3 and at 9 o'clock. Then we have the rest in gold tone, very simple lines, and the watch hands are also gold tone. So as you can see, a very nice aesthetically made watch, a very beautiful piece, elegant, very specific to the Art Deco period of these watches. We have a lot of similar pieces on our websites. As you can see, these watches are very specific to the era of 1940s, 1950s Art Deco watches. You can find all of these for sale on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description below, so make sure to check them out, guys. And here we have the movement, guys. As you can see, a small 17 jewel signed Helbros mechanical watch. So this is a manual winding mechanical watch. Very nice condition. As you can see, it is in working condition. Also we have the signed crown, as I mentioned, and here you can see also we have the back case. Very clean movement, very clean case. The watch is in immaculate, so a very nice condition. As you can see, aesthetically very clean, beautiful movement. If you enjoy this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.